Are you looking for a fitness tracker that doesn't look like a fitness tracker? If so, the Fitbit Luxe may be perfect for you. Fitbit delivers on its promise with Luxe, a fashionable bracelet-style activity tracker. It is a wonderful illustration of how aesthetic, style, and function can live in perfect harmony. To simplify, we separated the review into different sections. Without further ado, let's get started. The Fitbit Luxe's design is its main selling point. An attractive charging puck and a jewelry-inspired design make it even better. The Luxe is available in black, gold, and silver stainless steel. Even this is complemented with a buckle made of stainless steel. There are also additional band choices for the Luxe, which is available in two versions, one with a silicone band and another with gold-toned stainless steel. And its silicone bands come in lunar white, orchid, and black. And the additional bands have to purchase independently. The Fitbit Luxe display is the device's most eye-catching feature. It is a full-color AMOLED with a 206x 124 pixel resolution, and it looks amazing. The Luxe is compatible with iOS and Android and supports step counting, sleep monitoring, calorie burning, and more. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. We discovered that the wearable gadget is easy to use and has a user interface that makes monitoring your activity and overall health as simple as possible. Heart rate monitoring matched Apple Watch at rest and after a workout. Our experts found the recent versions of iPhones and Android were easy to pair and interact with. You can easily attach it to your body and recharge the battery. At the same time, the design and the build quality is top-notch. In a nutshell, the performance score is 79 out of 100. There are around 17,000 reviews on Amazon, and almost 74% are 5 stars. That's fantastic, right? After analyzing the user comments, we discovered that the primary selling points are customizable and beautiful design, incredibly clear and vibrant AMOLED screen, and impressive sleep and heart rate tracking. On the other hand, the user is dissatisfied with no built-in GPS and the device's low battery life of just 5 days. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.